Hi, may I help you?
Yes, hello, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Can I have a cheeseburger, please?
Okay.
This is the cow, right?
The what?
This is the cow. Esta es la
Yeah.
vaca. De vaca.
That's beef.
Oh, okay. ¿Cuál era el nombre de la vaca? What was the cow name?
I don't know.
Oh, because I cannot eat the cow name Yudelki. Because that's not funny. Because in my country I have a cow, right? And the cow name is Yudelki. And then this cow is very smart. This cow is a moo, and then everybody get out of the way. So
Yeah.
you know. But I can eat the cow. Do you have a cow named Sabrina? I can eat the cow named Sabrina because Sabrina, she took all my money. So it's
Took your
okay.
money?
She took my money, she took my taxes, she took everything.
Oh, she took everything from your life, right?
Yeah, so if
But
you have
I don't know the name of that cow, no?
that's for man.
Okay. So you're gonna eat it because I don't know the name.
Okay, that's good. As long as not Yudelki. If it's Sabrina, okay, because Sabrina, me destrozó la vida.
Oh.